toda la gente. 30 weeks data. Dun 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 dun. What's going on with this is the question. Cut to the first and last hour. Let's see it, dude. Let's see it for real, for real. Delete it. Delete it. Get it out of here. Get it out of here. I don't want it no more. So I'm just trying to cut this data up, and you can see I'm just using ChatGPT because ChatGPT is coming for all traders next. Including mine, dude. I see the writing on the wall. I don't just say it. I live it. There it is. There she goes. So what happened? I see that the closing times are not present in the sample data. To handle this, we need to ensure that we correctly filter the available data within the specified time windows, even if some time slots are missing. There we go. That's what I like to see, baby. That's what I like to see. Dun 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 dun. Binance, Coinbase. How do you get the data? All those places. Okay, so I actually don't like that there. No offense. It's just I need to stay focused. So I'm out on the chat. I'm out on the chat. But now let's get the 30-minute data in there. So what's great about this is now every strategy that I run will have all of this. Yes, dude. Yes. F yeah, Moon Dev. Come on. Come on, bro. This is sick. You don't understand it. Because you know how I showed you at the start of the video, all those back tests? It's because we built something yesterday that back tests all of this data here. All of this data. We got regular data, we got daily data, we got hourly data, we got market open data, we got market close data. Now we got first hour and last hour data, dude. I might go fuck around and get some lunchtime data to eat you motherfuckers. 777. I might put you on a fucking sandwich and just eat you. 777. I'm for sure taking your lunch.